Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, welcome to another video. And this is like an advice series. They're not structured as such. These are really random because I'm going along what the clients have come forward with. So we're going to be talking about jinn possession. And jinn possession could occur for many different reasons, but we'll focus today that it could be the cause that the person is possessed is either through magic, which is witchcraft, or the evil eye, or a lustful jinn just entered the body because they are in love with the body. So these are the three reasons why jinn possession can occur. And the symptoms, the most common symptoms that I want everyone to take heed of is change of character. And when I mean change of character, so we're focusing on the negative part of the character. So the person becomes angry for something that is very small and is unforgiving, and becomes angry for small little matters. So these are one of the symptoms that the person can have, and this can be very strange, especially to the ones that he loves. So the people that he loves or that he's close to, so his close family and friends, he gets very angry with them and he finds it very hard to forgive them for absolutely no reason. This is a change of character from the character that he was before. And this is what the client that's with me today is describing their spouse to be like. That's one symptom. So let's move on to another symptom. So, subhanAllah, brothers, the symptom of this anger and having a short fuse and not being able to forgive, one can assume it is through the pain that he's feeling in his body. So if you can just bear with me, that the same person is suffering from unusual pain in his body that cannot be explained by doctors. There's no scientific reason why this person is suffering through pain. There's no medical reason why he's suffering through this pain. So that pain could cause him to be very frustrated, very annoyed for no reason. And another thing is that you will find with the same client is that they find it hard to go to sleep. And not only that, if they do sleep, they suffer from nightmares and they suffer from fear, unusual fear. So how do we tackle all of these things? So how many symptoms have we just mentioned? We don't want to mention too many because this will be too overwhelming for everyone to listen to and to remember and to tackle. So first we have change in character, and the character is becoming very angry and doesn't forgive. So we now need to start basically healing ourselves or training ourselves or coaching ourselves back to becoming able to not to get angry and to be forgiving to others. Second is the pain that they feel in their body. How do we deal with that pain? So this, obviously you practice the sunnah where you place your hand in the place of the pain and you make a supplication, or you can apply ruqya to the oil and apply it in your body, or you make ruqya baths and you sit for a period of time. The other issue is, which is not able to sleep. This is quite serious. So not being able to sleep, if you've done your adhkar, for instance, reading 𝗙𝗪𝗏, reading the last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, and you've done all the sunnah du'as that to help you go to sleep, and you still are not getting the results that you need, i.e. to sleep and enough sleep, then take some herbs, some natural herbs to help you go to sleep. And if that still doesn't happen, then you should consult a doctor, a professional, to give you something to help you go to sleep. Because many people suffer from this problem where they haven't slept for 2 to 3 days, 4 days, and it becomes a serious, serious illness. So my advice to you is seek medical help when it gets to that stage. The other issue that we're going to talk about right now is fear. So a person can suffer from fear, and that fear is unexplainable, right? And if you go to the doctors or mental health practitioner, which you can do, by the way, you are advised to go and seek all the advice that you want from whoever you want, except obviously soothsayers and charlatans and magicians. Do not go anywhere near them. But the medical profession, you can go and see them, because even if you do, they will try to assess you, and it will come out, the results will come out that nothing makes sense. They wouldn't give you any medicine for your problem, i.e. the fear that you're fearing, because it's not a type of fear where you're schizophrenic, or you're closing the door on yourself. It's not that. It's very subtle. It's just basically between you and the closest person to you, i.e. you and your spouse, that you kind of disclose this to. You don't disclose it to everyone. So it's very hidden, and it's very relevant because it does affect the person. It makes them not confident. It makes them not want to socialize. It makes them very, very basically to try to stay by themselves as much as possible. But at the same time, they're scared to stay by themselves. So how do you deal with this? All I can say is increase in reading the Quran, increase your relationship with Allah, i.e. be in constant reminder of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through tasbih, tahleel and takbir, and inshallah by time it will go away. But we haven't spoken about jinn possession. So all of this is the cause of the jinn, i.e. the jinn that's possessed the human body is causing all of these afflictions. Now, what do you do in this situation? You perform ruqya on yourself. You have a family member perform ruqya on you. And if you get stuck and you don't know what to do, then you can consult a raqi, a therapist that is trustworthy. Now, here I will stop. I won't go any further. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Until another video.